This is the Milky Smile whitening system. When you open your kit, you will find the instructions. I'm going to walk you through each step. To get your LED started, you will need to remove the plastic between the device and the batteries. Twist open the lid and tap the batteries into your hand. You'll find the plastic seal inside, so let's remove that. The universal tray will clip directly onto your LED. There are 6 treatments in each whitening pen. Turn the bottom of the pen until the formula comes out. Open your mouth wide with your lips separated from your teeth and apply the whitening gel. The pen ensures no spillage, no wastage and no oversupply. Insert the tray into your mouth and switch on the light. The LED will automatically switch off after 10 minutes. So switch it back on to complete your 30-minute treatment. Once you have finished, rinse out all the excess gel. Now that is done, we need to seal and replenish our teeth with our ENAMEL BOOST technology. Apply the ENAMEL boosting formula to the surface of your newly whitened teeth and leave it on for 5 minutes. This product is exclusive to Milky Smile. Once you have rinsed, you have now completed a dental whitening session in the comfort of your own home.